Hello, Yanni from Mbrella here. I will show you how you can easily add your employees if you've just started using our Mbrella platform. If you log onto your account on Mbrella, you will most likely end up here on the expenses page. So to manage my employees, I'm going to navigate to the employees tab here in the menu. If I click here, you can see a full list of my employees already added in my Mbrella account. And here at the top right, you can see how you can add employees. I can add a single employee by clicking here, or I can import a CSV file to add all my employees at once. I'll show you how to add a simple employee. So I click here on add employee, and then I need to fill out their details. So I'm going to add Reese Witherspoon, and here I will type the email address. This will be most likely your your employee's professional email address. Optionally, you can also add their phone number, and then here you can select the role of the person you just added. It can be either an employee or a mobility manager. So if you're an HR manager and you're working with Mbrella, we at Mbrella refer to you as a mobility manager. If you want to add a colleague who has admin rights to the tool and who can also refuse, accept expenses and send them to payroll, then you want to add another mobility manager. So you can simply select the role mobility manager here in this form. I will add an employee here, and I'm going to also select the social secretary ID. This ID is an ID that you have to ask your social secretary or that you can find in your payroll tool. And then I'm going to click next for the second step. Here I can attribute a budget to my employee. You can find more information on how the budgets work and what the differences between the budgets are here in this article or in our budgets video. For this example, I will select the legal mobility budget for my employee, and I'm going to click next to the last step where I fill out the budget details. The start date, I'm going to set that on the 1st of April, so that can be a date in the past. And then the monthly amount, I'm filling out 650 here as an example, but this will be for the legal budget based on the TCO, total cost of ownership of the lease car that your employee is entitled to. So it has to be calculated following some rules. And then if you've added your budget here, you can see that the total budget of the year is calculated automatically in the tool. Then I click on next and I've added my employee. Here I have the option to send an invitation to my employee. I can also send invites in bulk to all my employees at once. So if I click done, I can see here that Reese has been added in my employee list with her budget information. And here I can choose the option to send an invitation. It is only as of this moment that my employee will have access to Mbrella and will see all the settings that you may have already added for them here on the platform. So voila, that's how easy it is to add your employees and to get started with Mbrella.